not been good.
I've heard you call some numbers from her that we didn't see. Seems to err on the side of huge.
Well, she's a size queen. What do you want?
You make more. You make
This signal's going to $50. And I'm like, today? Seems like a home run swinger in her calls.
Tim, you're going live?
I wasn't going to, but I decided to, yeah.
Because your screen's up.
Clean up the language.
My screen's what?
No, because your screen's up on YouTube.
Oh, yeah, it's not a big deal.
I just didn't let you know. I didn't know because I remember you saying you weren't going to go live today.
Oh, what? It went live without my knowledge? What?
Hey, you never know.
Yeah,
Technology is funky.
yeah. To get to this point, you have to click a decent amount of buttons. So yeah, that'd be interesting if I ended up going live by accident somehow. Although as tired as I am, I wouldn't doubt that it could happen. Graham, what's up? Kim, what's up? Thomas, good morning. Marketing, good morning.
You're at a disaster.
So that's a good thing.
Hopefully we have better shorts today.
I'm gonna get some trading out of the way before the pain says I'm back.
I'll get to the
You
charts
ready
here in a
to
second. I
work
figured I would
today or
just
no?
let the
2:30.
scanner sit there until we get closer to the bell.
2:30. You gave me that time, and I'm like, yeah, that's quite the time for this.
I did not sleep well, so I'm tempting to really get myself going. What happened to my music? Also, for some reason, you guys can't hear my music,
Today's gonna be the day it finally bounces off this bottom, but we'll see.
which I don't understand because you should be able to.
It's just for informational purposes. It's what I'm looking at. Doesn't mean it's gonna happen.
YOLO, everything Devin says.
Yeah, YOLO is definitely not my approach to trading.
Yesterday's. I just realized that my webcam's not on this. Excuse me. I guess it can't be because you wouldn't really be able to see me. I guess I could put it up over there. It's all good. I'll just leave it the way it is. I got another one of those inspirational daily calendars. Yesterday said, "Here's the new beginnings," and today says, "I can and I will. Watch me." I like that one. That's a good one.
Right before the bell.
Doesn't stop me.
People were like,
This thing is up like 100%. Let's see. Might get a drop at the bell, bruh. Just watch for that.
Good. I can add.
There you go.
This way I can
Alrighty.
make some money on it when it goes to 17.
let's go ahead and switch over to this.
There you go.
There we are.
I like that.
I guess when I have the scanners up there, you can't. I mean, you can't see me as of right now. I could add myself.
Don't worry, I'll be watching it for you.
See, Control C,
I'm just not
scanners, add. Let's put
not
me
feeling
over
the
here.
crazy low floater for today.
Oh, my green screen's a little messed up. See that? This side.
So, run it, baby.
Oh, that was the wrong way. Is this? There we go. I don't know what happened. My like lighting, it's not too bad, but for some reason it never did this to my hat, and I don't know, something changed.
Can I walk down to pick up a bag?
Alrighty.
Okay. I gotta go to 83. You know where that is? It's a new house, new customer for me. You know what numbers these are? They're 95. Should I go around? Probably better.
Graham, that's funny.
Okay.
David, good morning. Man,
Oh.
2 minutes, guys.
Baby.
Whoa.
Talk to the cops. This thing runs. Alright. Why didn't I add?
Peck has a warrant out for its arrest. It's running.
What the hell? It's all over the place.
Looking to pre-market.
I've never traded pre-market before. I don't know what to do.
That's like Tom when he's trading after hours. I'm like, how do you trade after hours? Like, it's like well, after hours is like pre-market with no volume. It's like just as crazy with stupid spreads, and there's just like no volume. It's like, how do you trade that?
At least in the pre-market, if you get in something that's really moving, there's no spreads and there's decent volume.
Yeah.
After hours, I haven't been able to find my...
Hit that like button on the way in, guys. It'll give you a green day. That's gonna be my new little slogan
Set me down the wrong block.
to get you guys to
I gotta go to the other side. I'm closer to there.
hit the like button every day when you come in here. I'm not gonna say you're gonna have a red day if you don't, but you'll have a green day if you do. And if you don't, well, then you didn't hit it hard enough. You gotta hit it like really hard. Bunch of things going here. I'm not trading Peck. We actually had shares on this earlier, but I ain't trading this. Start looking for real trades. I was just looking at that because Steve was playing it. Good luck, everybody.
Yep.
Steve's getting mugged right now. He went down the wrong street. Off-duty cops.
There's cops and fire police around here. No, he sent me. It was literally the house off of the corner where he was. He made me drive all the way around.
Devin, real quick. Billy went over 100 this morning.
It's crazy. Forever, dude.
That's just crazy. It popped up on the scanner.
It's up there, and we traded like 20-something bucks.
Yeah.
So,
Yep.
was doing jack.
Oh, the Peck gonna go for high day. It's trying to go higher.
Peck's going lower.
Oh,
Now it did. I say it tried to go higher.
That didn't work.
Watching a BTU here. I don't really like the daily too much, so.
That's right. He's packed.
There's algos all over
Whatever
this
he does.
BTU.
Jesus Christ.
Jeez. Drove that thing right back down.
Peck is being all over the place. Like,
I'm gonna stay away from that one.
it was falling.
Sin, that was a dollar stock. I was looking at that earlier.
You got shares on FUTU, Tim?
On which one?
FUTU, F-U-T-U?
Yep. Yeah, that's a wacky one.
Yeah. You got some of that yesterday. Oh, that's right. You got
Yeah.
that yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't very comfortable in this one.
I got out of pack.
Did you get in
That was
FUTU,
one shot.
Kevin?
Wow. That was way too much stress on pack. I didn't get my ad, so I just got out. Oh, sure. Now it goes.
Jeez. That's very whippy. BTU still going? Sure.
What is she saying?
Heck.
Check CHEK.
Yeah, Chica.
Oh, that one. Yeah, Luke screwed himself in that one. He shorted that in the ones. All right. Well, that worked out, but that's not what you want in the morning.
Yeah, that Futu went right back up.
Hello. Damn. Maybe I'll get my $10 entry on this now.
Yeah, the Tesla. The Tesla 60-minute looks very, very bearish.
Whoa.
$4 is what we were looking for there on BTU. Didn't quite get there.
What are you guys playing?
Nothing right now. Did you get Fubo, Devin?
No. It was going down, and I had to pee real fast, so I ran, came back, and it was up.
Well, you wanted it, what, at 28.20?
I would have, I mean, I probably would have got it over like this. Yeah, 2020, over the high of yesterday.
Yeah.
And then buck. Yeah.
This might be one we look for on the backside. This doesn't feel like it's gonna just flush. I don't feel like we're gonna miss a big flush on this one. I'm just gonna let this one kind of play out. Keep an eye on it.
So would have pecked two pick though.
B-Ray would have
Yeah.
been a decent one over there, 650 there.
Not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Morning, pick it up.
That's Fubo.
Oh, okay.
The heck is going on here?
Sure.
No volume.
Okay. Yeah, no problem.
The wrong side. Alright, I guess let's keep an eye on that. BTU is scanning. It's up. No shorts on that.
This is gonna go through. Jeez.
Was that BTU?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hit it on the first candle.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I only got my first ad, but made a little money on it.
No problem. Thank you so much. There'll be a receipt on here, and then just, you want to give me the credit card now, or you want to call me later with it?
Fubo gave it all back
Yeah, no
up.
problem.
Crazy.
Yeah, BNGO just halted down.
Jeez.
What are you doing, Thomas?
He was in BTU, he's out.
Oh, you got a decent jump or pop.
is a scalper's dream over here, the way this thing moves.
GPRE.
I stick to my plan on this one. Gonna look for the backside.
Spread. Light volume.
This Baba is pretty extended.
Yeah, I don't like the way that one looks.
GPRE.
Yeah. Looked at it a little while ago. And I'm like, I don't know.
Lance, how are you not playing Peck? This thing moves 50 cents a second.
I don't like that. I don't like that one. Because that's one that, like Ross will be jumping all in and out of. I don't trust that one.
This thing is nuts. Through 54, right to 54.50.
Ross is the best trader of
Pretty
all
much
time.
nothing sitting there.
It's amazing how much he makes when the market's closed.
I know.
And the last 2 Fridays, he killed it.
Some decent sellers sitting here at 54. Oh, there they went.
Is anyone else not missing Jason Bond ads all over YouTube?
No, it's been very nice.
Yeah, so you get shorted check 170 and 224. And he shorted it in his other account at $1.40.
I totally forgot to get rid of this. I don't know why it's on there.
264.
He's not doing well. That's not a winning trade.
You talking about Luke?
Yeah. He's got a small account challenge. He started with $10,000. He shorted check at $1.40. And I'm assuming he probably went in at least 2,000 shares on that. And the other, his regular account, he shorted $1.40 something and then added a 224. So he's probably in that for at least 3,000 shares.
Oh yeah, Futu's hard to borrow now.
And on top of that, the hard to borrow fee is pretty high in the trade right now. Anyways, back to good old Peck.
Watching Fubo.
Did you get in?
Not yet.
Yeah, it looks like it could be going.
Do a right or right out trade here.
This next candle will tell me if I get in this or not.
Actually, it's still extended. I'll take a
Not this one.
take a shot with that one.
Yeah.
We ran out of shares on Futu.
Futu?
Yeah.
Ah, Futu.
Devin, you want to short it or long it?
Fubo, I'd be long bias.
Let's see what this does around 1380.
I think this thing's had its downward time. Probably do a bounce of some sort.
As it goes right there.
Like this candle to close red. Being picky.
What are you looking to get in at?
Over like 28, 25, but I'm not too sure I like how it's moving.
Got
Hasn't
bought up a few
convinced me
times
yet,
there.
man.
Same with this Futu. We can't play this one anyway.
19 inches, stay away.
FireEye made a decent sized move back up.
Did it? I haven't looked at that in days.
I looked at it yesterday and I saw that it fell a lot. Wondering if today would continue that. Might. What is SYN? Yeah,
It's a dollar stock.
It's looking like doo-doo, but it's not giving up. Kind of chilling down there right below VWAP. That might not be done. Fubo can take off above 1P.
Spread on this one.
28, 23, 28, 25. And then in that one,
I already missed that.
that can
I didn't even see that one.
Interest in that one. FireEye just doesn't look very interesting. JD's gone nuts. It looks like she wants to tear some accounts apart. Oh yeah, JD, dude, I wouldn't be shocked if it hits 100.
Fubo, you're not liking this drop, huh?
On what?
Fubo.
I'm watching it.
Alright, SOL.
I'm not gonna buy that drop.
Guess I am SOL with this one, huh? Not looking too good.
This drop could keep dropping like it just did.
Should have stuck to my original plan there, huh? Second guess myself.
Well, glad I got a good pre-market trade. What are you watching, Lance?
Gungo and BTBT. I missed both of them off the bottom where I was going to get in, and they're very upsetting.
Of course I missed this
They're
one.
very upsetting.
Yeah, I was going to get into BTBT at like 25.88. It's at 27.40. And Bingo, I was looking at 440, and it's at 508. And I didn't get either one of them.
Didn't pull the trigger, or?
No.
Man, I really missed that. Dang it. I was focusing on getting this ad on SOL.
Oh, yeah, Fubo did take this little jump
Oh.
off that bottom.
Those are average 82.
Hello. That's fine. Your bag is fine. Yeah. No problem.
Fubo.
Yeah. No, it's no problem for now.
That's so
You got it.
frustrating.
Take care.
I was literally about to hit the button up here, but I was like, SOL, I wanted to hit the button at the same time. Be nice if SOL can stay under 14. Or not.
Ubo's trying to scare me. I like that. I like that. That makes me feel better. And that makes me feel worse.
Did you get in at 40?
I don't like the daily on this thing.
I'm trying to be patient with this thing, man. This is not making it easy.
Ubo.
Alright, now that's its pullback. It's done now. It has to go where I get it. Too much selling pressure, I'm out. I don't like that it keeps selling down like that. Might go, but just let it do that against me twice.
I waited too long
Three
here.
times.
Take a right out trade here. Wants to break 15, so I do like the. It does look very toppy here. See if we can get SOL to come back down through 14.
Kind of sucks because I just lost a tiny bit on it when I was up $60 on it.
Try to be patient with it.
Trying not to be a freaking. I'm not looking for a small trade on that. So can't pitch. What is this TRXC? Halted.
got a little bit of bingo. Just because it made me angry.
Wow, packed is unreal. Things
Is it
are really all
unwinding?
over the place.
And check pushing back up.
Pack is pushing back up. And I'm still happy with my exit, but this is just insane the way this thing's moved. Straight up.
Sloppy day, guys.
It is.
Lots of sloppy looking trades.
Jesus. Stop. Stopped out of GPRE.
And I'm out of pack. That was enough.
When did you get in?
On the way down, I had 2 entries. I don't even know what my average was, too. I wasn't really paying attention.
Well, I think you got out at the right time.
I think my average probably around 1290-ish.
Yeah.
And I hit it at the top, but got filled at like 1326. So that's
Yeah.
is what it is. A little sloppy looking. It's kind of a crappy fill on that exit. Small position, but still made me a decent amount of money there.
Yeah.
I'm not doing 800 shares today, guys. Not feeling that in action. Just gave right back up.
Yeah.
This thing is just grinding.
I'm not gonna screw with that. Fubo's definitely doing some sort of consolidation thing here.
Yeah.
This is not good. All I had to do was stick to my original plan. Would have been just fine on it.
Is Vesh in something? He's been very, very quiet.
Yeah, he's in Seoul. SOL.
Yeah, he's fighting.
Yeah.
SOL.
Mm. It's a little bit grindy.
It's a lot of bit grindy.
Yeah. Are you in the 14s?
Yeah, average is in the 14s now.
Okay. Wow. That tech trade just kind of scared the crap out of me.
Well, that's what. That's a 2 million float.
Yeah. I was kind of expecting to retest 1440s. Got that break below the 9. It's a Good hunting daily. Is this all time highs? You're
Oh,
still
which one?
I got a fake
That's
out
for sure.
there.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it is. I didn't scroll back very far, but
Looks like it is.
GPRE faked me out, that little fucker.
Well, my no cavity reign is still on, guys.
It's still on.
I've never had a cavity.
Now the top tooth is part of it isn't rotten, but your whole jawline is.
I don't think so. I think what he thinks I did, because he said I clearly grind when I sleep, which I never knew I did. He thinks I might have because I guess your teeth aren't, they're just held together by a ligament. He thinks I might have tweaked it a little bit and pinched a nerve.
Yeah.
Which I don't know what they do for that, but maybe they can adjust it or something.
Actually, because my wife, she grinds her teeth, so she has to wear a mouthpiece.
Uh-huh.
And she used to have a lot of jaw pain because of it. And all they did
Yeah.
was give her the mouthpiece.
Maybe
It's
that's
it's
what I
really
need. I
thin.
don't know.
It's a mouthpiece, but it's really really thin. And that solved the problem in like 3 days.
Really?
Yeah, because
Maybe that's it.
it stopped the grinding.
I mean, he showed me on the X-ray one of my back teeth is where it should be a point is flat, and he's like, "You're grinding," Yeah, cool.
Alright, either right or right out. At this point, this is either the backside or we're done with it.
Oh, that's quite the drop in pack.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it was.
And try to be patient with it if
That
it
didn't even halt it.
is the backside. Just need to get down there for that 14
Oh,
test.
that's great.
It's there. It's halted.
Oh, yep, just halted. I was gonna say.
Well, I guess there goes Fubo.
I'm glad I didn't try and put my order in. That could have been bad. I was watching the 1250s, and I was gonna look away and come back. It said 1150.
Get a break of this area might be pretty good.
That'd be great, except it stayed there because it halted.
I was hoping for that flush right there. We can get through 1420. Be a nice little flush. Of course, it's right where our average is, right?
Hey, Charlie, how about you give us some actionable information?
Be a real bummer if that was a little fake out to the downside, right? 1421, 2 cents within our average. Just looking for a little flush down to 14. Take at least half off. Definitely don't want it to go back through 50.
I'm on my last dance with Fubo.
You went back in?
GPRE really got us, faked us out. I wasn't paying attention to it because I was paying attention to SOL. I probably would have got back in this, to be honest. That's exactly what we were talking about, looking for those fake out breakouts. If this does go through high day, I'm probably just gonna call it a day. I'll put the scanners up, but I shouldn't have probably even traded today. I'm on like no sleep, and I completely went against my plan right away. I told myself it was gonna be a right or right out trade all the way back here on the first entry, and look at what we got ourselves into. So I mean, it's nothing. It's not like account breaking or anything, but it's just frustrating. Even if this does work out, it's still a frustrating trade. This isn't our typical trade. The worst part is, this is kind of what you see a lot, where it comes back up, tries to test that area, and then it'll do exactly what GPRE did, right? Higher, 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 tries to go higher that one last time, and then finally fails. That's, would not doubt that's what this is going to do.
It's not a short just yet, huh?
Hopefully it can just reject this 50 area.
Yeah, like, please short it, please short it. It'll go to 29 if you short it.
It's just trying our damnedest to shake me out.
Ass got through it. Not looking good. Not looking good.
Son of a bitch, man. There, one push.
What are you in at?
Not good. 28.64.
Yeah.
I'm not a big, but that's why I'm still on it. Most of those down was like $70 on it, but
It's moving.
I was gonna add there if I could get it over 50, but it's a good candle for us at least.
It keeps getting shoved down, but then brought back up and then shoved down. Looked like it was gonna break out here, so
There
Alright,
we
here we
go.
go.
Come
Come
on,
on.
let's get through
give me the
1420.
breakout, please.
Add there would have been nice. Jeez, what is this Mott's doing?
Right here.
Come on, give us a 1420 break.
There we go. Nope. Jeez.
Just can't seem to get through that 1420.
Fooled you.
This is my last chance at this, so I'm gonna try to let it play out.
Of course.
I don't want to add.
Futu. Yeah, when we ran out of shares on this thing, I was like, no thank you.
Just go, man. Go. What's wrong with you?
Uh-oh.
Pack open back up yet?
No. Must be on a 10-minute.
That's never good for longs, especially on a downward halt.
Yeah. And the imbalance says 11.
I just saw green for a second.
Oh, yep, it's right there, huh?
And then green.
There you go.
And then not green.
This is one of those trades, isn't it?
It is one of those trades right now. I would like to
You're right there. You're right in there in the middle, and it's going to make a decision 1 second
And
after you
I'm
do.
in the middle of that
Just
decision-making
Break
process.
20
I
for
love
us.
that.
Come out. Or not.
Are you going to make your decision 1 second too early or too late?
There, come on, let's get some volume. Jeez, Benitez, man, it literally is vacillating at my frickin' entry.
The market makers are like, Devin's still in? Yeah, all right, I'll hold it here. Hold! Devin's out? All right, now we can move.
It's not looking very promising.
Feel this is that trade that I get out of, and then I look back at it later.
It's starting to
and
look like a
$2
descending
come out of
triangle,
that.
but
Or it could be
I'm
down $2.
trying. It could be. I just feel like it's one of those that's going to go up, but try to shake me out before
Before it goes.
Before it goes. Dude, I just got a feeling this thing's going to go still.
come on, just give us that little flush through 1420.
Definitely indecisive. I'm looking at that 5-minute chart. We had the big green candle. We had the engulfing red candle. I think if she can get above like 28.89, we're probably got red.
There you go.
Man, GPRE really faked us out, huh? That would have been a good one. That's the move we were looking for.
64?
Yeah.
I'm green. Yeah. 28.89, 28.90. I mean, honestly, I'd rather just 30 would be great, but if we could just take out 30, that would make me feel better.
What, 30 bucks?
Yeah.
This isn't looking good.
I would feel better if this was over 30 right now.
Well, who wouldn't?
Yeah, just go here. Skip the whole $29. We're just going to skip right through that one.
Yeah,
After
I wanted to jump right to
28.93,
30. I wanted to go to
straight
30.
to 30.
Yes. Yeah, there we go. Over. Yeah, now 30. Let's go. All right, now.
Yeah,
I'm
volume
feeling
completely
pretty
died on this thing too.
I gotta take a little bit out there for the ride that I just went through.
Yeah, 350 here. This might go right to high a day.
Just in case.
Yep, Peck just opened for you, Steve.
Oh, yeah, where?
Hey,
It dropped to 11, now it's 11.50. It's chopping back.
Hey guys, I was
I
right.
see it.
Look at that.
You held it long enough.
Good boy.
Hold the trade.
That's what I keep saying.
I'm gonna try to be patient on this and pretend I'm a real trader.
Yeah, I'm trying to be like Devin. Trying to be patient. We need a nice little stuff here.
30, here we come.
Some kind of an actual pullback would be nice. There we go. Come on. We can just get that flush through 1420. We'd be looking good. Right now, we just wanted to kind of get below this 1430 area. Baby steps. But 1420 is that ultimate area we're looking for. There's 30. Let's see if we can keep going. So one thing I've noticed throughout my career is I do not trade well when I'm tired. It's definitely something I need to stop myself from doing. Definitely a little fight going on here.
Alright, let's see if we can blast off here. Let's go. Come on. way. Let's
The
go
spread
button.
too is kind of killing the action a little bit. Just not seeing anything else really. Plus, I've kind of made up my mind that this is my pocket aces today. If they get cracked, I'm just going to be
Let's go.
done. Don't want it to be that way, but unfortunately, it's kind of how it's playing out. Got a little too heavy on it just because of how early we started. I mean, I don't hate how we ended up trading it, just not a typical trade you'd see me take, especially when it started grinding like that. Should have cut it like we originally planned. Then even here, we probably should have took the loss. Just once we realized it was grounding.
Crazy.
It's only a $2 stock.
Let's see, I was just looking at that one. There we go. Let's see if we can get through 30 this time. Actually pushed down. Got the 28 last time. Starting to look a little heavier.
Oh, it had a
Hmm?
it went up to 220, but it was like, you know, that it's got the tail to 220 from $2.
This thing's getting a little wacky.
The high probability setup of a descending triangle is kind of forming. If we could just retest this 1420 area, it'd be looking good for us. There we go, through 30 again. See if we can actually push down through 28 a little bit. Need to come down, and there we go. There we go. Let's get through 20 this time. There we go. Hit it, sellers. Hit it. Hit it. Come on. Was this 21? So we actually did get a cent lower. Just looking for that descending triangle flush here, right? Take most of our position off for the 14 test. Just keeps getting bought back up.
That should get out of his trade.
Nope.
Not yet.
It's moving in this direction right now, though.
Good lord, dude.
This patience thing is, yeah.
I'm playing with that too. Part of me just wants to take this money and go, but part of me is like, well, not 30. $31 even.
Really don't like that candle.
30.65. Definitely the right idea on this one. It just took a while to make it happen.
This is definitely one of the longer trades I've been in. This is definitely not a typical trade of mine. This thing's definitely playing. See, look, it worked on data. See, you got back down to VWAP. Why can't you do it, SOL? Why can't you just go down to VWAP real quick?
He was just trying to go the wrong way.
Appreciate you noticing.
What are you doing over there, Jag?
Nothing. Don't see anything I like.
Alright,
I'm
I took that off.
I shouldn't be looking at. So
Not a shabby trade, dude.
you ended up pretty good on that. Oh, you got out at a good time.
No.
Down to
I
29
went
now.
to them at the very top, but I really was looking for 30. I didn't get me out at that little top there, but it's okay. Got some out. So good, the bad, and the ugly on that one. Use the bathroom real fast.
It's like every time it looks weak, buyers step in. Just absolutely no real pullback.
Hello. Thank you so much. That works. Yep. Your brother-in-law doesn't have anything today. Akiva? Yeah. He and I were in YU together in the same class. Yeah. I heard your husband on the radio. Congratulations on the poker. I'm sure you encouraged that. I can't even imagine. Yeah. That's fantastic. Congratulations. Just don't let him turn it into a full-time job. Don't let him quit his day job. Have a good one. Take care.
Listen to that customer service.
Right? Solid. It's like he's been doing it for a while.
Her husband was one of the finalists on one of the World Poker Tours.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and his brother and I were in college together.
Oh, okay, so you know these people.
What's that?
He said so you know. He said so you know them.
Yes, I do know that. He was in college also. He was a couple years older than me, so not really the same circle. But his brother and I were together. A couple classes.
Dang, Vish. You gonna just be in a swing trade?
Feels like it.
Good. Things just going sideways like a mofo, huh?
Just waiting
I
for.
decide a way to break.
Yeah. Just waiting for it to make up its mind. I mean, it looks like it should go in my favor. It looks like a descending triangle, but who knows? It just needs to break this 20, 1420. It just keeps testing it. And guess what my average is?
What's that?
Almost around
I, s-
20.
I said it keeps bouncing off 1420. I said, guess what my average is?
1420.
1419333333.
Oh god. That's the way it always goes, man. How does that happen as much as it does?
Yeah, I don't know. It's very frustrating though.
I'm just keeping football and watch for now. I have not eaten solids for a full day now. God, I'm freaking hungry.
Patience. I've waited this long. Give me the 1420 break, please. Pretty please. Or not.
I'm almost to goal on a crappy day. Using small share size, so that's a win.
It's like every part of me wanted to take at least half off there when it was testing 1420. But how many times have you seen a chart where it looks just like that and then it finally flushes?
You got anything on watch, Thomas?
Not today, said SOL.
Nope, negative.
Not today.
Got that one play at the bell. That was it. Ain't nothing. Jumped up.
Where's the bounce on Fubo?
Yeah, this is not good, guys.
Already. Oh, I know, it's dropping. I wasn't looking at that.
What's the heat map looking like on that?
On what?
Fubo.
Is it FUBO?
FUBO.
This should be a deodorant company.
It looks very bearish.
Very bearish. Okay, good.
Looks like 28's the
short?
next. 28's the next
I am
spot.
short. I didn't say anything while you were still in it. Yeah, I shorted it. Where did I get it short at? 29.46.
That's a good short.
That is a
For
good
now.
short.
You got in on the way up.
I got in on the way up, yes.
That's on
I
that
figured
spot,
it
but
went-
figured you
Oh,
had
no,
to
I
get
put the
in
order in.
quick.
I put the order in and it just filled. Like it went down and up around the 40s.
Penny land.
And then it went up a little bit higher than that. And then you were talking 31, and I'm like, no, don't do that to me. But this thing can test 28, you think?
That's where the next big support is. Resistance is kind of all over the place on it. 29 is kind of the real first spot, so you're kind of between 29 and 28 at the moment. All the resistance that was here on SOL up at high of day kind of disappeared. There's a little bit there, but not like there was earlier.
Hello.
I think everyone kind of weaseled their way out of this trade. Which I don't blame them. I don't blame them. It's literally just going sideways.
Some more red candles going down.
You still in here, Jag?
Yeah.
You sound like you're super excited about today.
Yeah.
Ooh. Tech God.
Yeah, no bueno. This is
Dude, your soul looks like the most pain in the butt trade ever.
Yeah, it's not looking good here. It's looking like it wants to go up the highs.
You covered it in high day to get out?
Yeah, hard stop.
GM is ripping.
Yes, it is.
You're probably have shorts on that, huh?
Yep. Looks like we missed it already. Maybe not. Did you get it, Thomas?
No.
It's not really enough for me to really intrigue me.
I was looking for more out of it, but
Yeah.
So the same, like, I mean, I'd almost want it at $42.
Yeah, the daily on GM doesn't look very good either.
No.
God. Yogurt, soup, and protein shakes just don't fill you up. This is what I've learned.
That's what you've learned over the last couple days?
This is what I've been taught since yesterday. I literally ate like 6 bowls of soup yesterday because I'm so hungry. GM is giving up.
Yep.
you suck, GM.
Don't you hate it when you get in that trade that you're in all day, Vesh?
Yep.
point where you're like, I don't even care if I lose on anymore. Just get me out of this position.
Yep. It's like I've already accepted my fate if it loses. So it's like, just come on, just do one or the other. Yeah.
Do it now. I mean, was Soul bought out somewhere between 1420 and 1460?
I don't know. Hopefully this is a big drop here.
You're getting closer.
Fubo didn't make that follow. Fubo didn't make that follow through dump, huh?
No, it did not, sir.
I was literally about to take it off.
We'll give it some time. Give it some time.
Well, not all completely, but those 100 that I
I'm
added.
personally bullish on Fubo.
I know you are. That's what makes us different.
Yeah, I just think, I mean, if you look at the daily, this has been a lot of down pressure and needs a bounce day. Things don't go straight up, things don't go straight down. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red candles in a row to the downside. It just needs a good bounce day.
You gotta be kidding me. Something that's moving that slow, it didn't even give me a chance to... It didn't give me like 3 seconds to adjust my order. Got the 25. Did go below our average there.
Retest of 40 before this, or 39. Before we really see this thing go down more than this, if it does.
What, $40 or $29.40?
No, like 39 bucks. I think it'll retest the 9 on the daily. Before it dies. If it's gonna die. I think it's not gonna die, but we'll see. I'm not talking about today, I'm just talking about in general.
We test that 1420 again. I got a feeling we'll go through. Gotta get there first. What we don't want is this big old pullback and then for it to go right back to where it was, because that would not be bearish
It's been pleasantly not
at
hitting
all.
me today.
That's good.
It's like one of those things that when it doesn't hurt them, I'm just waiting for it.
The stop, yeah, it's for 240. Or no, it's for
I
the
didn't even sleep in my
full
bedroom last night because the couch was more comfortable because I could sleep more upright.
Yep.
When I lay my head flat, dude, oh my god, it's not good. It's like all the blood just freaking goes through that and it throbs.
This is painful. This is like one of those ones where you just have to walk away.
Dude, I don't see anything I like at all today.
Yeah,
Fubo,
no, Hassan, you're
like
right.
the premise of it
That's
going
like one
up,
of my main rules. Don't trade grinders.
there's no momentum
Like
today.
I said, over here, my initial
What'd the SPY do?
goal was right or right out, and I didn't get
up
out
like 40 cents.
because I wanted to
so
give it a
not
little
much.
breathing room. But then it never really gave me any kind of pullback after that. And then when we got this ad and it tried this pullback, when it went higher there, I mean, that should have been a cut too, because you could tell it was starting to grind, right? Look at the 9 extending away from the VWAP.
I definitely need a nap before I go to the
And
dentist.
it's just didn't do it. and completely
Your BL&K
was
made
already
money
out of the
today.
mood
Yeah.
because I'm working on 3
That's
hours
not
of
really your
sleep.
type of trade, though.
No.
In any
And I'm
way, shape,
angry.
or
I
form.
even said I probably shouldn't have traded before
What's
we
that?
even started
I'm
trading,
angry with BLNK.
and then it just
What's that?
kind of
Wanna
put
go?
me in this awkward spot.
You're not on
100%.
speaking terms?
No, I'm not a
Yeah,
speaker for
this is
BLNK.
definitely not a typical trade you see me take
Well, if
at
you get
all.
on speaking
I'll buy
terms,
you a
there's no way
Victor
for it to
India.
say I'm sorry.
Yes, that's
But
true.
we're in it now.
You
I don't
gotta
GT,
necessarily hate the way
you
that
gotta
we
speak to her
managed it
before she can
to
say I'm
this
sorry.
point. It's just
GT,
very frustrating that we're not getting
LAC,
that pullback. I mean,
FUIE.
this is not a pullback. I mean, look
Dude,
at
everything
this
looks
moved
like trash today.
over $2
I mean,
and
if you look at every other
like
trade, they all look
30
like
or
your soul.
40 30 or 40 cents. So
You look like your soul.
my soul is depleted at the moment.
A lot of trades look like this though. They just went up and now they're kind of chopping sideways.
You should see my
Not
trade
anymore.
on GPRE.
Did you get out when it did that one little pop?
Yep.
At about, what time is this? 9:54.
That one hurts, Tim. That one hurts.
It's not going to hurt as bad as SOO.
Oh man. Fubo.
Isn't that crazy when stocks do that to you?
It's intentional.
Oh, it definitely is. I was so focused on watching SOL, I would have gotten back in that because that's what I've been looking for lately is those fake breaks. But I immediately, while it stopped me out, I wasn't even looking at it. I just happened to notice the order went through and I was like, oh, I guess I got stopped out of that. And I'm about to get stopped out of SOL, it looks like.
Fubo high a day. Devin, you in?
Well,
Huh?
no.
Did you get out,
Jeez.
Steve?
No, I let a dollar profit turn into a 50-cent loss here. That ain't what you want.
No, that's kind of a mistake.
That's not
I
good.
wasn't trying to tell you what to do, but I was trying to tell you what I see happening.
Did you cover any at least?
Well,
Look at this
I'm not even
slippage.
gonna answer that.
He did not.
Literally paid
No,
the
we
top
didn't.
of that candle.
You know, Devin, do me a favor. I don't speak cryptic. Just talk. Just talk. I don't have to listen, but just say it.
Well, I said I think it's going up, and I think we're gonna test 32, 33. I mean, possibly even up to 38 before it goes down.
Yeah.
Not necessarily
that's not-
today,
that's-
but
Yeah, that's not today.
uh,
I got time for that.
we're trying not to be like too. I would get out.